Good morning. Day 2 back here on this job. First thing we got to do is throw this load of topsoil in the dump truck and get it up top where we can use it a little bit easier. It wouldn't make it yesterday because it was pretty slimy, but it's 25 degrees this morning, so I'm hoping it's still firm enough where we can just drive the dump truck up in. And later on in the morning, I went and got a load of 3/4 crushed stone, and the hill was too slippery for the truck to make it on its own. So I ended up having to have Brian drive, and I pulled it up with a machine. I figure the truck is about 22,000 pounds loaded right there. So we spent the next couple minutes dragging it up, but the Volvo didn't have any issue helping it. You'll hear me continuously yelling at Brian to turn his wheels certain ways and being patient. Ha ha ha. Put some new topsoil on this back end of it and get it smoothed out, finish graded. Brian's going to start seeding it and laying the straw matting and getting that stapled into place. Ryan's going to start working on connecting into that existing pipe for the sump pump from the basement. Put a Y in there and a fern co, get it put back together. And I'm going to start digging the trench and laying a little bit of stone. And we'll start putting in the 4-inch flex pipe with a sock on it and start backfilling it with that 3/4 stone. Of course, where we start is full of roots, so it takes a half an hour to go 10 feet. And we just start cruising. That's right, folks. We hit ledge. Everything was going great for 35 feet. And now we're gonna have to bring the hammer back tomorrow. Son of a bitch. See you tomorrow.